Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. Say if you like camping and luxury, or building a project out in the boondocks, or maybe you just want a battery backup for when your power gets knocked out, check out this Goal Zero Yeti 1500X portable power station. We recently hauled this 1500X down to a 2-week outdoor job site where we only had one electrical outlet to use the whole time. It excelled. Let me tell you more about it. This beefy portable power station is powered by multiple lithium-ion batteries with a total capacity of over 1,500 watt-hours. That's enough to run a full-size refrigerator for 23 hours or charge your cell phone 127 times. The unit has 7 different ports to power a wide range of devices, including fast-charging USB-Cs, traditional USBs, a variety of regulated 12-volt and 2 120-volt AC outlets. Plugged into a regular wall outlet, takes a while, almost 14 hours to charge this thing, but it'll hold that charge for up to 6 months, making it great for camping or as an emergency backup. And if you need more power on the fly, the Yeti 1500X can be connected to a compatible solar panel or even charged with your car's 12-volt adapter. My favorite feature about the Goal Zero is the Yeti app. Download it from your app store and you'll easily be able to wirelessly connect to your power station. With the app, you'll be able to do things like turn on and off ports, check how long until you're empty, see how much power is going out, all with real-time accuracy. I can't say enough about how much I like this Goal Zero Yeti 1500X. Its strong and dependable capacity can easily power a 10-inch table saw, a corded miter saw, and have plenty of juice left over to do your cell phone batteries or your drill batteries all day long. I gotta say, it's a no-brainer. This Yeti 1500X is Family Handyman approved. To see what else we're testing and improving, come on over to familyhandyman.com.